Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to block someone on Snapchat. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. The ability to connect with people via Snapchat is great, but sometimes it might reach a point where everything isn't read anymore. For example, you don't want someone to see your post or receiving messages that you don't want. In such situation, blocking someone can be ideal thing to do. So how to do it? How if you want to block someone on Snapchat? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Snapchat. Now you can just tap on the up left corner on your emoji on here. You can choose, maybe you want to block your friends. You can scroll down. You can tap on my friends section. You can choose your friend that you want to block. Maybe for the example, I will choose this one. You can open the profile for your friend that you want to block. Now you can tap on the up right corner, the three dots over here. Sorry, you can go to public profile of the account that you want to block. Here's the public profile. Now you can tap on the up right corner, the three dots over here, and you'll find there is an option block. You can just tap on that. Now you can tap on yes. Now you've blocked that users on from your Snapchat. It's so simple, right? So now you no longer, you will not get messages from him, and they can't also see your stories or Snapchat. It's so simple, right? So that is how to block someone on Snapchat. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.